Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be going to tell some hiring challenges. The first hiring challenges is Instabase. Instabase in Cipher Hackathon package would be CTC 31.32 LPA ESOPS worth 15 lakh benefits for grabs. The registration deadline will be 10 January 10th January, so only one day remaining pre-registration individual participation. So here you can click on register button. So the eligibility is engineering student, any undergraduate, corporate, eligible institute. Here you can check by clicking eligible institutes like Anna University, Birla Institute of Technology, BITs, Delhi Technology, NITs, and many colleges. I think only top institutes are eligible. Indian Institute of IITs, NITs. So total 123 colleges are eligible. So the first one is demo round. Demo. So you can give this demo coding round from 24 December to 12 January 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. code. So first round cliff 1 coding fundamental, a competitive programming round based on coding fundamentals starting from 12th January to 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. means you will have total sufficient time. So second round in Cipher Code Pro participant will have to code in stipulated time. 14 जनवरी को होगा ये. Clip 3 problem statement launch. Submit your prototype solution from given problem statement. So fourth round will be finale and interview round. Who shortlisted from round 3 will go for finale and interview. The final countdown begins. Team shortlisted will present their solution to esteemed jury. Winners will be declared. So the eligibility in Cipher is open for the free final and final BTech and integrated dual degree course in software and circuit branches from 100 plus select engineering student. Women with 0 to 1 years of experience having an engineering degree. So the from any of the IITs can register. Minimum cutoff CGPA would be 7 CGPA or 70% throughout the academic 10th 12th engineering. The package here you can check in D2C website. Here also you can download information browser. So the here is also some rewards. Winners would get 2 lakh, first runner up will get 1 lakh, and second runner up will get 50 lakh. Top 30 candidate will go for PPI pre-placement interview opportunity for the software engineering role as full-time and intern. So you have chance to go for intern or intern for 2023 batch and full-time for 2022 batch. So the second challenge in ONIT Pressure Dash, where you can see eligibility criteria, year of experience 0 to 2 years, skill HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, educational eligibility, computer science, ETC, MCA, MBA, IT, challenge format, 10 MCQ will be there, 2 basic programming questions. So job location Pune, opening 10. So you can register in HackerOps platform. I will mention the link in my description where you can check. So thank you for watching video.